How to set up GamiPress BuddyPress Integration. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Youzify tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up GamiPress BuddyPress Integration. You can award your users with digital rewards such as points and badges. First, you need to install and activate the Youzify Pro version. You can purchase it on Code Canyon. Please click URL on the video description to go to the product page. Second, please install and activate GamiPress and GamiPress BuddyPress Integration plugin. Go to Plugins, add new plugins. Then, you can find both plugins by the searching bar. Once all required plugins is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and GamiPress Settings. Make sure the GamiPress integration settings is enabled, and you also can choose to show or hide badges on the member's card and author box. Next step, please go to GamiPress menu, Point Types. Click Add New button. And then, fill singular name, plural name, and slug. Click Automatic Points Awards and add any points type to be awarded to your members. Click Save All Points Awards. And the last step, click Publish button. Let's check the profile page now. Here it is, you will have a GamiPress Points widget and Badges tab. And also check the members directory. You will see the badges on the members card. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.